Because your car doesn't just take you places. It represents you. Introducing the all-new T-Gloss Do-It-Yourself range. 10 high-performance solutions, one complete car care system. Engineered for protection, designed for convenience. Built for every car. Designed for every lifestyle. From a quick morning refresh before work, to a full detailed transformation on a relaxed Sunday. Crystal clear glass. Rich conditioned leather. Tires restored to deep black. Tar and grime removed without effort. Every spray, every wipe, every finish, perfected. Whatever your car needs, from wash to finish, T-Gloss delivers. Exterior brilliance. Interior comfort. With care you can trust. One brand, detailed to awesome perfection. T-Gloss Do-It-Yourself range. Now available at your nearest Toyota dealerships.